2023, 24, 25, and now 2026. Every year you wrote down the same goals with the same fake excitement. You promised no more reels, no more distractions, and no more porn. But within the first 3 days of New Year, your motivation died, and you crawled right back to the same broken promises. You saw your potential waste away while your dream of retiring your parents just stayed dream. Your whole life is slipping through your fingers, but no more. Welcome. I'm Nadir, a boy who always dreams big. But I have no money, no bank balance, and currently I am living the worst version of my life. But from today, everything is going to change. Stick with me until the end because I'm not going to just show you how I am going to change my life, but I'm giving you the 3 rules that will make you 10x more productive. Plus, I have a secret gift for you at the end of this video which will jumpstart your 2026 journey. We are taking 100 days journey to become the pro versions of ourselves. But before we talk about the big goals, I want you to see this. Look at this room. Remember this situation because this is where I am starting, the absolute bottom. For 2026, the skill we are going to master is video editing. I will show you exactly how I will learn, how I will land my first client, and how I will earn from video editing. But this journey isn't about video editing, it's about editing our lives and becoming someone we can actually be proud of. Before begin the challenge, I have set 3 rules that I and anyone following me must stick to. Rule number 1, no phone. If the phone is on, your brain is off. You need to kill this distraction to find your focus. Rule number 2, no more reels. We spend hours watching other living their dream life. We stop being consumer and need to be a creator. Rule number 3, no more masturbation. Don't trade your future for a fake 5 minutes reward and energy. We need this hunger to build a business. I don't want you to just sit there and watch me win. I want you to pick your skill, set your targets, and work with me daily. Now for the secret gift which I promised in the start of video is a community link of our private group where we can share our daily routines and keep each other's fire burning. This is the day 0. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to join me for day 1.